Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest health and wellness tips. Today, we have something truly amazing to share with you. Are you ready to discover the incredible benefits of coconut water? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore how coconut water can transform your skin and help you achieve your weight loss goals. So let's dive right in. When it comes to natural and refreshing beverages, coconut water takes the crown. Not only is it deliciously refreshing, but it also boasts a wide range of health benefits. One of the most notable advantages of coconut water is its impact on your skin. Coconut water is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and antioxidants, which work together to promote healthy and radiant skin. Regular consumption of coconut water helps to hydrate your skin from within, giving it a natural glow and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Say goodbye to expensive skincare products and say hello to the natural wonders of coconut water. But that's not all. If you're looking to shed a few pounds and get in shape for the summer, coconut water can be your secret weapon. It's low in calories and contains no fat or cholesterol, making it an excellent choice for those who are watching their weight. Coconut water acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins from your body and promote a healthy metabolism. It's also packed with electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining proper muscle function during workouts. So, if you're hitting the gym or engaging in any physical activity, make sure to stay hydrated with coconut water. Now that you know the incredible benefits of coconut water, it's time to incorporate it into your daily routine. Here are a few simple ways to enjoy this refreshing beverage. First, you can drink it straight from the coconut itself. There's nothing quite like sipping coconut water straight from the source. It's a truly tropical and invigorating experience. Second, you can add coconut water to your favorite smoothies or juices. It enhances the flavor and adds a natural sweetness that will make your drinks even more enjoyable. And finally, you can use coconut water as a base for your homemade popsicles. Simply mix it with your favorite fruits and freeze for a healthy and refreshing treat. So, whether you're looking to improve your skin or lose weight, coconut water is the answer. It's a versatile and delicious beverage that offers a multitude of benefits for your overall well-being. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay hydrated and embrace the wonders of coconut water. Cheers to a healthy summer